Is the mic on?
Yeah.
Give me a test.
Testing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
21. Hi, everybody. We're back. My name is Inapo. His name is
Shaun.
And we're gonna pump you up.
Well, what are we going to discuss today? I wonder.
Crunch Labs.
Yes. And thank you for joining us on our second episode.
Thank you. Hopefully you like and subscribe. Please do.
We did some troubleshooting since the last episode. We had the disc launcher.
Yeah.
And let's start with that and we'll get into it. Like, hey, we fixed it.
We fixed it, and it's new and improved.
Try to shoot that ball, that ping pong ball. Oh, come on. There you go. Oh, nice.
There we go.
So it was the battery and it was the flywheel. You've been doing it for about 3.5 years.
Yeah, I'd say it was really fun.
And what I think it's for ages 8+, but
Yeah, but honestly, I started at, 7?
6.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh.
Because you're 9, right? 3.5 years.
Yeah. It's really fun. I like it.
And from a parent standpoint, ever since he started this, he needed help here and there. But ultimately, you scan the QR code, you could follow his video and do the instructions, which I always tell him. But sometimes someone doesn't want to listen.
Yeah, I know.
Why. And there's always a good explanation why you're doing the project that you're doing. The disc launcher, that was a flywheel.
Yep.
Yep, it says it right here, flywheel. And then, you know what
Stuck
that
up the cap again.
Okay. Which one is that one?
I forget.
All right, it's a ball launcher.
Yeah, it's a launcher. And boom.
Whoa! Leave it, Doug.
Didn't expect that. This is called the Repeating Expo. It's so good. It's basically a Nerf gun, and it's really fun to use, especially when you like to hit people. Here's an example. We got
some volunteers.
Chewbacca and Iron Man. And,
That's a horrible impression.
bye, Chewbacca.
Oh, dang. Do you remember what this one's called?
No.
All right, cool.
You know,
All right,
we'll just call it the Mystical
all right,
Box.
show them. That one's cool. I do like that. Is that here?
Put the coin in the box. Now slide it open really fast.
What?
What?
Kind of demonstration is that? Why don't you give me a little bit?
I did.
You did the whole demonstration without me.
Oh, yeah. Look at that floating ball.
Nothing in there, huh? Oh,
No.
okay.
Yeah, put the coin in. Oh, yeah. It's not
Jeez.
in there.
Where did it go?
Oh,
I wonder.
I don't know.
I'm gonna take a look-see. Ah! Let's get these squirrels out of the way. The squirrel battle. The squirrel shuffle, I think they called it.
Really?
Yeah. No, you know. Oh no.
Oh, you just broke his limb.
Oh no.
Blood squirted all over.
And what is that one?
It's basically a drawing machine.
I was gonna say, do you remember what the thought behind it would be? Besides the gears, was there something else? Because each one of these has a different focus.
Yeah. Oh, it was the ratchet, I think.
Okay.
Ratchet. And see for yourself. Oh, oops. I didn't
Uh-oh.
put on the pen.
Oh, I guess that helps, huh?
I think I gotta put it in a bit
You
more.
didn't set it up, huh?
Oh, I
You
did.
didn't set it up properly, homie. Nope.
What? Alright, now it should work.
Five hours later.
Looks like,
What is that?
I don't know, diaper?
Looks like what did you say, a diaper?
Yeah.
I was gonna say a shell. A diaper shell? All right, turn off, show the folks at home.
To show the folks at home, this is what it looks like. The pen.
Extreme close-up, whoa! Oh yeah, so this one's one of your newer ones, but I guess we're really not gonna fully demonstrate this one.
So this one's like a
Decoder, right?
Yeah, it's a decoder.
Decoder? Dakota.
I'm from Dakota. Decode.
You from Dakota? So you're coding?
Yeah. Is to create a code. So you use the red part first, and then if you want a friend or a parent to decode it, then you just flip it over to the blue side. Close up. Oh.
But what? How does it work though? Oh, so you go to the letter.
Yeah, you go to the letter.
Boy. All right, let's see here.
I clutch your head.
Shows the letter up here.
Yep.
So if you go to the letter down here, then it tells you what letter corresponds with that. So right now it's the letter P. And what is it at top?
C.
C. C.
Yep.
You get the Gravitron again. You can grab all sorts of stuff with this. I guess that's why it's called the Gravitron. Do you remember what that one's called?
The Trampolintros.
What? What kind of language was that? Come on, what is
German trampoline toss. So basically, it's like ski ball.
Skeet ball. Skeet ball? Ski ball.
Ski. So basically, it's like ski ball, and if you can only make it in this middle hole, if you go top and bottom, then it's gonna get this ratchet and then do that.
And the object is to get all 10, right? 10?
9.
9?
Yep.
That's what I said.
9, 7, 9.
Oh, that's right. You want it up here. And it collects.
And then if you want to cheat, then...
So again, folks, Crunch Labs by Mark Rober.
Build, test, solve, play. Have fun.
So since you've been doing this, what are your thoughts with this overall?
It really makes you think, have fun.
And I'll try to find some videos, but we have tried to use, there was a booby trap one, but that one's broken. That's one I really wanted to share. It's pretty cool.
Fixed it, but
I think I have some booby trap footage that I'll try to add to this. Because a lot of this, we've been doing this for 3.5 years, and then this is obviously our second episode in Chicken Body Thoughts. Oh man, we forgot to say thanks for joining us at Chicken Body Thoughts.
Yeah. Sorry. Well, we should edit this into the front part of it.
Okay, we can do that.
Well, anyway, welcome back to Chicken Body Thoughts. I hope you like this one. Second episode. Not, you know what?
Well, which one's that one?
Oh, this one? Alright, I gotta do close up on this one.
How?
Because I don't think they're gonna see the light.
Okay.
So basically, it's kind of like if you've ever been to Epcot or if you've seen the movie Tron, then they're gonna be like kind of like a light tunnel thingy.
A kaleidoscope?
Maybe. Well, that's why I wanted to do close up.
Go.
All right. Whoa. Whoa.
Okay.
Whoa. Whoa.
All right.
You're going to get dizzy.
So from a parent's perspective, this is actually a really cool program. Just go to their website. You can find out details, the cost and such. I don't feel that's my place to say. But yeah, he's been doing this since he was 6 years old. He needs help here and there. Now he does it on his own. It takes him anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes, depending on how complex it is. But it challenges them, makes them think like an engineer. Huh.
All of these are really fun to do. And
Look who's here. Look who decided to join us. Come here, Doug. Say hi to everyone. Come here, buddy.
Come on.
Come here, buddy. Come on. You want to say hi to everyone?
Speak. Doug, speak.
Come on. Oh, watch yourself. Have a nice trip. See you next fall. Say hi. Speak. Speak. Good boy.
Good
Okay.
boy, Dougie.
So you saying bye then? All right.
Bye, Doug.
All right. So I think we're good, bud.
All right. So my name is Inapo. His name is
Shaun.
And we're here to pump you up with our videos. And thank you for joining us for the second video. We will see you on the third one. Again,
We hope you found this useful here.
interesting. And hopefully you can see us in our third video. And
It's probably going to be on Legos.
Yep.
Probably going to be on Legos.
And see you y'all next fall.
Thanks again for joining us.
Yep.
Oh, gotta go.